Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook to an Android device. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by clicking on OK. Then do exactly the same on Lenovo. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive over here at the bottom of your Android and receive. So sorry. Over here select one of those options and tap on Send Next to Receive on Lenovo. Now click on all of those type of dots from all of your categories, and when you're ready, click Send Here. This way you'll select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it right now, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see, finally we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. In order to do that, just tap on this scanning icon here, select while using the upper only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!